guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tami and I'm here with my amazing wife Shae.
Hi everybody.
Yes, and today we will be doing a video called Signs You Are in a COVID-19 Relationship. Trouble. Now, in this video we will be talking about all the signs so you can know which category you fall under. We know that people agree maybe to be in the side piece relationship, so you don't have to say, oh, you know, may understand them levels there, but for people who are persons who think they are the wife or the husband or whosoever, these are the signs that you are not. Yeah. And also in this video we just want to set it straight that even though, you know, we're a gay couple, lesbian couple, this video goes for everybody, whether you're straight, bi, trans, any category you fall under, any way you want to label yourself or not label yourself. This video everybody can relate to it, so it just got the same thing. Yeah?
It doesn't matter. You have to be a label. It's any person. It could be any type of relationship. You just need to be aware of yourself and what's happening in you.
Yeah, I agree, baby. Alright, so let's get into it. Baby, what is the first sign you are in a COVID-19 relationship?
When you couldn't reach them before and now they're calling you.
Trouble. Wow. So right now you would say they are always available. They are always available. And before they were always busy. You could have called them or text them unless they call you and text you, and now there's like no boundaries.
Right. Because why didn't they answer before? Why didn't they text you back before?
Even in the night times when you know they should be home. You know, so that is a sign that you are not the straight out wife or husband, however you want to put it. Alright, second one. May have never let you hang around your family or friends. Wow, trouble. Yeah, you know them always I talk about them friends. You know everybody a friend or family, and you never been introduced to them friend, maybe them best friend or them so-called friend, but them always talk about. Your name never come up. You never talk to them on the phone. Nor nothing like that. Is like you don't exist in a them life. You don't know nothing. Them, you will pass them on the road. You don't know them. Maybe all you see a pictures, but them don't know you. You know?
Yeah.
So that is another big sign that you are in a COVID-19 relationship. Yeah. Next one, baby.
Alright, if they're treating you better now than before the, quarantine, all of a sudden they're listeners.
Ooh.
You know, or they're, relatable to you or something like that. Like, they're into you all of a sudden.
Yeah, they are very engaged. They are very active. Basically, them call and check up on you about 50 times for the day. Them text you, oh, how are you doing? I miss you and all of that. And before, maybe even if them have a hard job or a job that is very demanding, but now you're like, before, you could always text me. Before, you were the one begging for the attention and the time, and they claim that you are the one, or them girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever, but you never feel that much attention or they never give you the affection. And now because maybe them can't call or text them other people them, so them have a time now to text you. Yeah, so that is another big one to give it real. My next one, they have always busy doing something else even when they are free. Yeah, before them always busy, even if them off work or them get day off, them still busy. Them never have no time for you yet, but now that is quarantine, I know maybe for them original not available, or maybe them original in another relationship to me, I don't know. So now them have the time to be free.
So you wasn't the only one. You still may not be the only one now.
Right.
But they have time more to focus on you and possibly others. But you have nothing but time in a quarantine.
Yeah. Yeah. So true, baby.
So think about that. If you never got the time before, but you get the time now. Not so good.
Not so good.
Not so good.
Alright, what else?
It's my turn.
Yes.
How can you truly tell if they like you? You
that
know?
is before the quarantine?
Before the quarantine. Because all of a sudden you're talking to them and they may even put a post of their picture on social media. You know, this my lady, this my man, whatever, boo, whatever. And you look through their timeline or whatever and you never saw your picture there before.
Wow. I know all of a sudden it just appear.
It's my relationship.
Yeah, I didn't have that too. So in that sense, you would have said them used to behave like them single or they never have a lady or a man. And now maybe because them can get them way with the others and them don't know your situation, them know you are the one we have time for them or we you know cope with them. So them put it out there for you feel extra special because maybe they know that's what they should have been doing all along to make you feel wanted, needed, involved, feel like you have something, you know, you're not hide nothing. So now all I think them what them should I not do then is what they're doing now, which makes no sense because basically nobody can really do nothing right now. You can't ever go nowhere.
Right.
Right. Alright, what we have now is dates. When I date night time, always the lonely places. Rather stay at home, even eating out, you can't do that. It's always like drive through or you know they home, they cook because they think it is romantic.
Wow.
I know, I'm going night baby.
That's not.
I know.
Romantic, you can have a romantic dinner out there.
I know that, but because maybe they don't want people
You're
or
not
their
their
friends,
public
they're
face.
not their public face. So you are the COVID relationship face now?
Wow.
Yeah. That's something to think about.
Wow.
I think we need to drink to that one, baby.
Alright.
Cheers.
My thing is, alright, so you're in a relationship, all of a sudden it's blooming because of the quarantine and everything. What's going to happen after the quarantine?
What's more?
They're going to leave you.
They might get back to them old selves, what they've been doing all along. Maybe even right now, they might make some promises and I say, they might go do this, they might go do that. You know? Maybe even I have babies. Maybe 10 babies.
There's going to be a lot of COVID babies. A
Yes.
lot. But we have to be smart as people. We have to be smart to know that people really show you who they are.
In desperate times.
No. In the beginning. They show you who they are in the beginning, because desperate times, you can fake something for only so long.
No, but in the beginning, you don't think that in the beginning they will show you that they are fake?
No, in the beginning, Michelle, they show you who they are. Like, you know, if I'm a cheater, I'm going to show you, you know, I'm a cheater, but in your mind, oh, I can change him. I can make him my man, or I might make him my woman, or whatever. You don't see, you're not trying to see it. They're showing you, but you're not trying to see it. And your friends could tell you about that person. But you're thinking that, no.
You're the one to come to the rescue. Superman.
Yeah.
Superwoman.
Fixers beware in this time of COVID-19.
That's a good point, baby. True. I may also think in desperate times, so people show you who they can be.
Who they can be.
Who they can be. True. because you must can put two and two together. Was this person always this affectionate? Were they always this caring and all of that? What's the difference between then and now? Like 2 weeks ago, 2 days ago, a month ago, 2 weeks ago. Big drastic change.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The drastic
Yeah, the drastic change, no. Something not right. COVID-19, relationship life.
What if they all say the first time ever, I love you? That's dangerous.
Oh my. So they never tell you when it was the real work. But now, the quarantine, they get the I love you. I guess them have a really, well, if I time to think.
Know your worth, people.
Yeah.
Know your worth. Are you gonna love me now? Because I'm not out there and I'm not doing anything, but you couldn't tell me you love me before.
Yeah.
Yeah, that I love you when
Shaky.
quarantine goes away.
Shaky. It's only temporary. It's like the virus. The love lasts as long as the virus lasts. That's where the love goes. It's
Deep.
my turn.
Mm-hmm.
I already said that. Oh, this one say ghost mode. When before the quarantine, they were always in ghost mode where if them not reach out to you, you can reach out to them. And when they do spend time with you, they have to come up with an excuse to leave. Yeah, they have to come up with an excuse or something happen. Out of the blues, when they did a good something happen where them have to like go now. I don't know. They must say their mother sick, probably have to bring their grandmother to the hospital. They have to get them pressure pill or something where in a year sense, oh my God, me can't be that cruel to be so selfish because of my feelings to make this person don't attend to them beloved grandmother. Who am I to stop that?
Wow.
Or whatever excuse them use, but you know say them are going nice. So be careful of the excuses them people know. If you wanna spend time together, if it's 200 days in a quarantine and lockdown, and there is not one excuse. Right now you wanna say, alright, you can go on, you can leave now. Nothing. You wish them phone could have ring. Where is your mother in this time to call you? The kids want to feed or I don't know, babysit the dog, I don't know, whatever it is. All of a sudden you are available
Okay,
upon my request. What is going on?
That's too much. Late night phone calls.
Ooh.
Late night FaceTime.
That one day.
Your relationship should have been great then and
Better now.
Better now. Very close. Very intimate.
Yeah.
You know, it shouldn't all of a sudden do a 180 during this time. It should have already been better.
Yeah.
Now, if you're into those type of things where you're the side person or, you know, you are in that type of thing, people go through phases, that's your life. Will be
That is
you're
fine. That's fine.
You're fine, but you try to give your heart then, and now you're getting all the love and the pouring and all the extra stuff that you wanted then. Be careful.
Be careful, guys. Be careful. And also use protection. Because, you know, in this time, people, they feel like they are the only one. They are not. And there are some cruel people out there. You know, them tell you all these things. And maybe even the person be doing all the right things. And you're like, oh God bless me with this one. You know, they doing all the right things. Doing all the things where you love. And you're like,
well, I want to say for America, you know, we are getting help, and I think Jamaica is going to start getting help too. Other countries are getting help, the help the government gives you is for you and your family.
Yeah.
Do not give your help financials to anybody else.
For real.
Because-
And this time people just want to use people.
Yeah, and you don't want to do it. Or
Mhm.
if the money didn't get to you yet and you have something for you, it's your rainy day.
Yeah. True.
Not saying that you can't be giving to others, but be careful about it.
Yeah, because sometimes people just want to take advantage of you. Just because they know you're a giver and you're caring, they will use you. And you, because their hearts are pure and kind, you're not even realize, you're not even see it. And only certain times they get a phone call from people when they need things.
Or a good note is make a mark.
Mm.
Like say, I'm a giver. I love giving. So my mark could be, let's say for the month, $100. And it is not going to bother me. If I give, two people or one person $100, well, the next person asks me, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You know, we're all struggling, but I've reached my limit.
Yeah.
You know? Regardless if I have it or not, you just know that you have
That's
to have
a
a
limit.
have a limit,
Boundary,
and don't
yeah.
even worry about it. If it's not going to hurt you,
Mm-hmm.
if it's $25, have that limit, and then once you give it away, I'm sorry, you know, and move forward.
So true, baby. Anything else you want to add?
No, just be safe. The 20-second rule on washing hands is real. Wash up.
Wash up.
Wash
Be and
up.
use soap, guys. Use soap. Alright?
You know,
Mhm.
and be aware of your surroundings. Too,
You have
because
to.
some people will sneeze and not cover,
Mm-hmm.
you know, and it can linger in the air for some time. So
True.
just be safe, protect your loved ones, and stay home as much as you can.
Stay home. Hana your yard. So that's it, baby. Alright, guys. Well, that is it for this one. Feel free to comment your suggestion, your feedback in the comment section. Do remember to like this video, share it. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm on the road now to 300 subscribers. Yes. Thank you all so much for the support you have been giving me so far. Love on you guys. Big up yourself. And that's it for the video.
Stay safe, guys. Bye.
Stay safe. Bye.
Bye.